What's up, you guys? So in celebration of our 100th video, I wanted to create a feast. A feast that I have created from the bottom of my soul with my bare hands. And by golly, I wanted to have a candlelight dinner with my dog Koda. So come on, follow me. So feast your eyes on some delicacies that I made from my own hands. So for the first one, we have our classic fettuccine alfredo with chicken. And then we go to an exotic chicken with rice. Exotic. And for the last course, we have a succulent steak and mashed potato journey that becomes a journey in your mouth. All of these created with love, with my own hands, straight from scratch. It can't get much better than that. Oh, pay no attention to the boxes over here. No one wants to see that. So Koda, it's the big day. We finally made it. It's our 100th video. How do you feel about it? Yeah, I do too. You know, it makes you feel a sense of calm inside, doesn't it? Yeah, so in honor of our 100th video, I took it upon myself to cook us a feast. And I wanted to treat you to such a feast that I created from scratch. I promise. I promise I created it from scratch. And the first course that we have on the menu is the classic fettuccine alfredo with chicken. The chicken is pasture raised. It grew up on its own. It's completely organic. It never even came from an egg. It's completely organic. Mixed with some delicate rolls of noodles. My own recipe. Some like to call it fettuccine alfredo, but they really got it from me. So dig in. Go on, don't be scared. Dig in. You don't like it? Oh, you may not be feeling dairy today. Yeah, it's okay. I get it. It's okay, because the next thing that we have on the menu is an exotic blend of rice and chicken made from scratch. Again, the chicken is organic. Perhaps this will suit your fancy a bit more. All right, go on, dig in while it's hot. Looks good, doesn't it? Well, because I made it, so looks pretty good. You're not feeling it either? Oh, maybe you're just not feeling chicken today. It's okay. I get those days sometimes too. In that case, I thought of an alternative, just in case you felt that way. And the last course we have on the menu is a succulent roast beef, prepared by, again, myself. I know. I took it upon myself to create such a feast for us today, Koda. In celebration of our 100th video. What do you think? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Oh, you like my dress? Oh, thank you. I like your tie. It looks good on ya. I was thinking the same thing. Go on, take a bite. Does it not, is something wrong with it? Does it still not suit your fancy? But Koda, those are all the foods that I have, that I made for us. For our 100th video, what do you want to eat? I mean, I suppose there are some hot dogs. You want to eat some hot dogs to celebrate our 100th video? Congratulations on our 100th video. You like it? He's happy. Princess Midnight.